Welcome to FilmCoin, a concept that intends to create films from nothing. Okay, we didn't discover America, it's a simple idea. In order to fund some short films and support the new filmmakers. It works. The plan is to monetize this YouTube channel, and through FilmCoin's videos we would start finance some short films. The main idea is that these new short films will be broadcast by this channel, and then the profits of this project will finance other projects as well. Let's see also this idea with a diagram. So the question is if YouTube earnings can really fund a film project. The answer is that the profits depend from the engagement of the audience. When a video goes viral on YouTube, a profit can be made. Profits enough to finance a short film. So the answer is yes, we can totally achieve it. As a fan of open bookkeeping accounting, I believe that updates should be published frequently. So we will make every 2 or 3 months some videos regarding the participation, the earnings, the project that we will fund. And this is good because these videos will also join in the FilmCoin pool. So until the next video, please, I would be happy to hear you. Because it's an early stage idea. I don't know how it would go. So, okay, any suggestion, recommendation, I would be more than happy to hear you. So, bye bye for now. Let's see how